I am Christine Clemens, and I am licensed in Texas and part of the Military and Veterans Law section of the Texas State Bar. I was recently at an event in Lubbock, Texas at Texas Tech University, where our section had a continuing legal education seminar. Part of the reason why the Military and Veterans Law section had our meeting at Texas Tech is because they are going to be starting up a Veterans Law Clinic. It's hopefully going to be up and running in the fall of 2025, but we were there at the site really excited that they're going to be able to have that opportunity for veterans. So my presentation was on the new appeals system. I say new, but it's really now been in effect for 5 years, called the Appeals Modernization Act, or the AMA. And I was comparing some issues that the previous system, called the legacy system, had with the new system, the AMA, and talked through some of the things that we've seen since the implementation of the Appeals Modernization Act, including one of the major issues in the previous system were delays. We are seeing delays in the new system as well, but VA does seem to be picking up the pace. Then my law partner, Brad Hennings, presented on what it was like to be a veterans law judge, a day in the life of a veterans law judge, and walked through what that looks like in terms of reviewing veterans' files, holding hearings, and resolving issues for veterans at the Board of Veterans Appeals. So Texas Tech University is massive, and we found out it's the second largest educational institution. And just in terms of campus, it's a large campus, and there on the campus is the Vietnam Center and Sam Johnson Vietnam Archive. This is a place that I had known about before because we do sometimes have to do some digging in our cases, research on records related to locations where our clients served, records related to units they served in, where those units were, what activities they were part of. And we need to be able to have this documentation sometimes to show VA that something happened in service or that the veteran was where they said that they were. They're really important to compensation cases. And so we wanted to check it out and see what it was like. It's largely a library and an archive, so it's very quiet, but full of resources.